Hello, military technology enthusiasts. This time, we will discuss one of Germany's legendary weapons that remains relevant today, the Flakpanzer Gepard. Despite being over 60 years old, this air defense system is still a mainstay on the modern battlefield. How can a weapon designed during the Cold War era remain effective? Let's delve deeper. The Flakpanzer Gepard, or Cheetah in English, was first developed by West Germany in the 1960s. Its goal was simple: to create a mobile air defense system capable of protecting ground forces from fighter jets and helicopter attacks. The Gepard entered service in 1976 and became the backbone of NATO's air defense during the Cold War. The Gepard is built on the chassis of the Leopard 1 tank, giving it high mobility. Its armament consists of two Oerlikon 35mm automatic cannons capable of firing 1,100 rounds per minute. These cannons can engage fast-moving targets such as aircraft, helicopters, and drones. Its ability to counter modern threats like drones and cruise missiles makes the Oerlikon 35mm one of the most formidable air defense weapons more than 60 years since its development. Additionally, the Gepard is equipped with search and tracking radars, making it highly effective in detecting and destroying aerial targets. The search radar used on the Gepard can detect targets at a range of up to 15 kilometers, while the tracking radar ensures firing accuracy. This combination makes the Gepard deadly to enemy aircraft. Its twin 35mm cannons are fast-firing and have an effective range of up to 4 kilometers. The ammunition is equipped with a proximity fuse, which detonates near the target, increasing the likelihood of destroying or disabling enemy aircraft. Although designed to counter Cold War-era fighter jets, the Gepard has proven effective against drones and cruise missiles on the modern battlefield. Its ability to move quickly and fire accurately keeps it relevant. Recently, the Gepard has once again demonstrated its prowess in the conflict in Ukraine. Germany sent several Gepard units to Ukraine to help counter Russian air attacks. The result? The Gepard successfully shot down dozens of enemy drones and missiles, proving that age is no barrier to its effectiveness. According to experts, the Gepard's success in Ukraine is not only due to its technology, but also its simplicity and reliability. The system is easy to operate and maintain, even by personnel with limited training. So, why is the Gepard still relevant? First, its operational cost is significantly lower than that of modern air defense systems like the Patriot or S-400. Second, its mobility allows it to be deployed across various battlefields. Finally, its capability to counter drones and cruise missiles makes it highly valuable in this era of asymmetric warfare. The Flakpanzer Gepard proves that brilliant military design can stand the test of time. Despite being over 60 years old, this German anti-aircraft weapon remains a serious threat to enemies on the modern battlefield. So, never underestimate old technology. It might still be highly effective. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content on military technology. See you in the next video.